Obviously this is your camshaft and this is your decompression setup. So it's basically just spring mounted so it springs back, and this is a centrifugal weight, and this mechanism open closes that little lever there. So when it's down there's no bump there, but when it's back there is a bump there, and that's your lobe that opens your exhaust valve, and then when it's on the opposite side it hits that and opens it again. So basically your valve will be open then, valve will be open then, and the valve will be open then. It just helps with pulling the engine over. And then when your engine starts up, it's doing about, I don't know, probably 1,000 revs per minute or something, that weight slings out, removes, which pulls back that lever, which stops it then operating the valve. So basically it's just like a third lobe on the camshaft that's centrifugally operated. Really simple but really effective. So, and it does make a massive difference to pulling the engine over. When that's gone you'll know about it.